All right, sir, are you Benjamin Baker?
Yes.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I think my victim advocate was trying to get in. She's with the victim.
You hearing you?
Sorry, what did you say, Ms. Coe?
My victim advocate, Tasha Clemens, I don't know if the court allowed her in, but she's with the victim.
I did. Yeah, they're connected.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go on the record now, since we have everybody connected. And this is Crawford County file number 255439, People versus Benjamin Baker. The record should reflect that Mr. Baker is present today by video from the Crawford County Jail. If I could have both counsel put your appearances on.
Sierra Coke on behalf of the people.
James Dick on behalf of Mr. Baker, Your Honor.
Okay. We're on the record here today. Apparently, Mr. Baker was arrested on October 1st on an alleged bond violation, and I believe other charges. Is that right, Ms. Koch? Has there already been charges authorized out of that incident?
Yes, he was charged with aggravated stalking and arraigned in front of Judge Burmeister yesterday with a $15,000 cash surety or 10% bond.
Okay. And Mr. Dick, were you appointed on that case?
I was this morning, Your Honor.
Okay. And I'm obviously conducting this from Otsego County, so I don't have this file in front of me. Were you the attorney on Mr. Baker's underlying file here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Sounds good. Okay, so again, this is a hearing regarding a bond violation. The court's got a number of options at this time. Ms. Koch, what are the people asking the court to do in terms of bond here on this file?
Your Honor, I'm going to ask for a high bond. The other bond, I apologize, was not 10%. I'm concerned that the court entered this order that had no contact or no entry into her home, and he very blatantly violated that. I've spoken to his attorney, and they are contesting the underlying charges. I've talked to his attorney as well, and he had some options for doing some type of tether. So maybe the victim is very scared that if he's released from jail, he is going to continue going to her home. That's where we're at. Thank you.
All right, can you tell me again, because I don't have the file in front of me, Ms. Koch, what are the charges in this case?
The charges are domestic violence and I believe 3 counts of R&O.
Okay, so the felonies are the R&O, or is this a domestic violence third?
The felonies are the R&O.
Okay.
He doesn't have very much of a criminal history.
Okay. All right, and thank you, Mr. Dick.
Yes. Yeah, as far as criminal history goes, Your Honor, Mr. Baker had an OWI previously before any of these cases arose. So he was not involved with the system in general. Here, for this matter, we were seeking a bond, and I am trying to find a local agency or an agency that would be willing to come here and outfit Mr. Baker with a GPS tether if the court would entertain that as a condition of release. It would allow the court to, well, the court and police to have his location at any given time, and it would ensure that he does not go anywhere near his previous residence, which is also the victim in the case's residence. And Mr. Baker is actually, I believe, still on the lease and whatnot. So, but with the GPS tether, Your Honor, we would even ask if the court would perhaps consider some sort of home confinement during the pending matter, and perhaps a provision to allow him to go to work. He does have a job that he is going to be finishing up this season here on the 12th of this month. It just would ensure that he does have gainful employment whenever he is able to return to work. And that's also with the understanding that there could be some jail time in this matter.
All right, thank you. Sarah, can you tell me what the current bond was on this file?
Yep, just one moment, Judge. Are you able to hear me?
I can, yeah.
Okay. He had a $5,000 10% bond. He posted 500 of that.
All right.
And that was done on 7/16/25.
Okay, so at this time, the court is going to, given the alleged bond violation in this case, the court is going to modify bond. The court is going to raise that amount to $10,000 cash or surety. Mr. Dick, if there's an arrangement that's been able or that is able to be made regarding GPS monitoring, I would consider lowering that amount if that can be something that's made a part of the bond conditions. So if that's something that you're able to set up, you know, if we have either a stipulation or you can ask to get this on for hearing, and it, you know, this wouldn't take long. It's something that we could address certainly. So I would consider lowering that amount if we had some other conditions in place, like a GPS monitoring.
Okay.
But as it is now, the court will adopt all the original terms and conditions of bond, but modify the amount to $10,000 cash or surety, no 10%, Sarah, with all the other terms and conditions. And then we'll proceed on this file on our next scheduled date, whenever that is. Ms. Koch, is there anything else? Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
He is currently set for a possible plea hearing on 10/9 at 10:45.
Okay, so either way, we'll be back in court no matter what next Thursday on this file. So,
Yes.
Ms. Koch, anything further we need to address from your side today?
No, I hope that we don't have to deal with Mr. Baker's bond violations again if he is released. I think this probably got through what we needed. Thank you.
Mr. Dick?
Your Honor, if I am able to come up with that GPS tether for him, would something perhaps be able to be signed today if the prosecutor would agree to it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Nothing else.
I'll be available all day today for something like that.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's all for this hearing today. All parties are free to disconnect at this time.